Here's my picture. Yeah. Oh, Come on, we get closer. Oh no, not close. It's fine, though. Yeah. Hey, it's really cool behind it. You know, I think people it's just they perfect cook like this. So we still want some space on it. Yeah, it's getting smoke. To be. They burn the stick off. How you make it? How you make it? No,
I'm making it.
Not me.
This is live. The fire shield. Fuck, it's great behind here actually. It's really cool. It's a brilliant idea. Until it ignites.
Let's check.
No.
Oh, come on. One check.
Are you? Yes, you should.
No, it's very hot. Where's the... All right.
Just put it in your teeth, Mathilde.
No, it's still hot.
Oh,
it's still hot.
Non.
Come on.
Alors.
Really?
Pour la torture, non? C'est ça?
When you longer time.
Right, get closer.
As close as that to burn. No.
Oh, no,
No, it's wood. Wood doesn't burn.
It's burn there.
What do they teach you in China?
You know, in China we have a lot of thunder, lights, and summer it's so hot, so there's a lot of light. So we go to mountain to make this naturally. We have a lot of rabbits.
Ah, you put a rabbit on a stick in there.
No, we put all the rabbits on some iron metal stick, and we raise it to the sky, and then some light will come to cook the rabbits.
Wow, that's amazing. Ooh.
Oh, it's on fire!
Oh, come on, I tell you that. No. Okay, we can still do it.
No. It looks like...
Same. It's not a photo, it's a film.
No.
Tomorrow you will be famous on YouTube. Say something in French.
Comment ça va?
Oh, put down.
Oh!
Come on.
I'll have to put this down in a minute.
Send it down. Oh,
It's like a little candle. What a nice way to end my film. Candle, you see.